We have the team Johnny. Tama ba, partner?
Hindi. One verse. Number 3.
Okay, Runburst, Team Runburst. Ayan, pasok po, Team Runburst.
And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god as they made. And the sign flashed out in his forehead. And the words of
Okay, palakpakan nyo naman. Next team in line, we have the Wild Fox.
where you out in tenements halls and whispered in the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people maybe.
Okay, next in line, Team Jana.
Jan.
Team Jan. Team Jan.
Jan
Kahit
Team.
kulang, Team Jan.
Kahit kulang.
Sige po, Team Jan, nasan po? Representative.
Of silence.
Okay, next, Tukba Hoopers. Sige, sunod lang po kayo dyan.
Hello. Yung pong mga views natin, kayo po ang magdala sa isang team para makuha nyo po yung best in views natin. Maraming salamat po, Buki. Yung mga views natin, sila po yung magdadala ng team nyo para makuha nyo yung best in uniform. Best in of views. Pag hindi nyo kayang gawin yan, sayang yung
Dito.
best in views natin at saka best in uniform.
And restless dreams I walked alone.
Hoteliers.
Those streets of trouble.
Okay, next in line, Team Hoteliers. Palakpakan nyo naman ang Team Hoteliers, mga idol.
Color to the cold and damp.
Ba't ikaw napulot?
Ayan, palakpak yung ano natin, yung ating broker.
It's lit midnight
Next, Team Melody.
of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000
Huwag na natin matagalin to, Team Rawabi.
of silence. Fools say now you do not know.
Okay, Team TCK.
Ay, dito yung PSG.
Echoed in the wind.
Ayan, pasis na lang po. Next, the Team PSG Gunners.
Asan yung next?
Pwede po, anong tawag din? Volunteer sa broker yung gusto mag-muse. Ayan. Sige, tulak nyo na si ate. Okay, and under 5'8 category, same team po, Team PSG. Abangan nyo po yan mamaya sa ating exhibition game. Okay, ang ating team, Dennis. Yan, laban na laban.
Asan na iba nyo?
May laro sila tayo.
Kulang sa number, pero laban na laban. Grabe ba?
Bangus.
Lugi tayo sa proker ha. May pinipili ata yung proker ha.
Eyes will stand by the flash of a neon light that split the night
Bangus.
and touch the sound.
Hindi pa. Sige. Bangus lang.
Next team, Bangus. Ayan, isa po yan sa ating mga sponsor.
Kahit dalawa lang yan, may banner yan.
Bangus. Boneless po yan, boneless.
Anong team yun?